Hello and welcome to Have a Look Universal Class Parenting Courses. My name is Bernadette and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Universal Class has over 500 courses in a variety of subjects from etiquette to parenting, and it allows you to learn at your own pace. Today I want to show you how to access the parenting courses. These courses are helpful for parents, caregivers, teachers, or teens who want to up their babysitting game. Let's have a look.
Start by going to our website, lacountylibrary.org. Go to Digital Library, Learn, and find Universal Class. If this is your first time using Universal Class, you will need to create an account. You will need your library card, email, and you will create a password. Once you are in, you can browse the course catalog. To find parenting classes, go to the Parenting and Family category by scrolling down. There is a featured course banner. Below you can browse popular courses like Early Childhood Development, Basic Parenting 101, and Positive Parenting Techniques. Scroll down and find the green triangle on the left titled Parenting and Family. You can narrow your choices by clicking a subject. Let's try parenting skills. There are a variety of courses from basic parenting skills to more specific aspects of parenting, like classes on ADHD, ADD, building self-esteem, bullying in elementary school, child psychology, and child obesity. Let's look at a course. We will choose Positive Parenting Techniques. This is a self-paced course comprised of 10 lessons, 12 assignments, and exams. On average, it takes about 5 hours to complete. Let's look more at the description of the course. This video will explain what positive parenting is. The course descriptions let you know what you will be learning about. Next, there is a section for related courses. Then the descriptions in the lessons in the Positive Parenting Technique course. You can see a list of lessons and what you will be learning. Under that is the learning outcomes of the course. Next is other course information, including a link to the syllabus, grading policy, and testimonials. Let's go back to the top. You can click here to join the course. You can also join the course or click over here for a video audit. The video audit means you are not completing the course for credit or doing assignments. You are simply watching or reading the material. If you just want the knowledge and are not concerned about getting a certificate or earning credit, then this is the option to choose. At the beginning, I mentioned the teen who wants to up their babysitting game. Here is the Babysitting 101 course. Increase your skills with the Building Children's Reading Skills course or Building Children's Self-Esteem.
Universal Class is a great way to strengthen your parenting skills or choose other subjects to study for self-enrichment, improve your resume, or help expand your skills to get the promotion you're after. We hope you have enjoyed Have a Look Universal Class. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.